I must say that I'm sad that there is a resistance on the part of the government of Malta because it's a Labour government and I am a socialist from the same political family. And I really am sorry to see resistance here to clarifying all these matters, namely regarding the Chief of Staff of the Prime Minister, Mr. Schembri, and also the Minister Mitzi, who has failed to clarify from where the money was supposed to come to feed the account in Panama and New Zealand that he was supposed to be feeding with 1 million per year. And of course, now the most recent allegations that involved indeed this connection with Azerbaijan and the relatives of the Prime Minister themselves. I can only be hoping that indeed this judicial inquiry that has been opened will indeed enable to clarify the matters.